What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys can tell by the title, I did get my first PR-ish package, and I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm so excited. This company is so sweet, so kind, so nice, and they're doing some major stuff now, and I'm just so pumped up for them. Before I mention who it's from or anything like that, I just want to give a huge shout out to them and their team. They were so kind and so nice to me when I did meet them. And yeah, without further ado, let me show you who sent me my first PR package. Drum roll, please. It was Artist Couture. Now, if you don't know what Artist Couture is, they are a brand started by Angel Merino, also known as Mac Daddy on Instagram. He is a flawless makeup artist. So he came out with this company and they make highlighters, and I own 2 of their highlighters. So I have their Diamond Glow powder in Boudoir, and this is like a little compact. You've probably seen it on my channel because I love the mirror. It's super huge in here. And this is like a subtle glow powder with like their logo imprinted on there. And then I also have one of their loose Diamond Glow powders in the shade Illuminati. First off, I love the name. It is so cool. It's so cute. And you get so much product in here. You get so much product. I don't even think I put a dent in this. It's an indie small brand, and huge congrats to Artist Couture for getting a little bit of shelf space in Sephora. They're totally on the up and up as an indie brand, and I'm so happy and so proud of them. Let's get started on how I got this PR package and like how that whole process went. So he had, Angel Merino has some new products and some new merch coming out. So he did an open casting call in downtown LA at the Michael Costello showroom. And I had went with my best friend Nessa. We got all glam, all like cute or whatever. He applied for his new merch line coming out to be like models or whatnot. Sadly, we did not get it, but while we were waiting in line, so we had these clipboards with like release waivers, and my clipboard had the last waiver on it, so I just had like a clipboard left. So I basically waved down his assistant because I recognized him from Angel's Snapchat. And I was like, hey, I got the last paper on this clipboard. Do you guys have any more paper so I can pass it down? And he's like, oh yeah, no problem. Hey, do you want to be on the Facebook show? And I was like, duh. So he also has, Angel Merino also has a Facebook show called Hustle and Glow. And I'm still waiting on that episode to come out with me in it. I wanted it to come out, and I'll throw it in this video, but it still hasn't came out, and I really want to share this video with you guys. So Anyway, so they filmed me for the Facebook show. It was super fun. I was like, they basically asked me what makes me a glow getter, because anybody who uses Artist Couture, he calls them the glow getters. And I basically said, you know, me just being my true authentic self and hoping that inspires others to be their true authentic selves and yada yada. When it comes out, I'll show you guys. Anywho, so their team that was filming me was so kind on and off camera, and I asked them like, hey, can you like, you know, hook me up with that makeup though, you know? And they totally took down my information, and I took down theirs, and I emailed them like yada yada, hey, it's me, Nico from Line, whatever. They totally got back to me, and they sent me this little bag of goodies, which I already opened because I could not wait. I just had to look, but I'm going to show you guys what they sent me. And yeah, so they have like the cutest little bag that says Artist Couture on it, and then they gave me this note with the Artist Couture logo on it. It's like a nice cardboard material. I love it. Anyway, so it says, Nico, such a pleasure having you at our casting call. Here's some goodies to keep you glowing. tag us. And then they put their Instagram and their hashtag, and then they said XO, the Artist Couture team. They were so kind. Again, this company is so nice. I will forever support them. They were just so kind and so nice to me, and their highlighters are the bomb. So, that being said, they sent me 3 of their mini highlighters. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This may seem like such like a not a huge deal to anybody who's not like a makeup lover, but like for a company to totally like remember you and reach out to you and like, hey, send us your address, we'd love to send you some goodies. That is just so major. So the 3 shades that they gave me were Double Take, Conceited, and Mermaid Fantasy. I'm gonna do like a little quick swatch of each of them. Ooh, I just got this everywhere. Damn it. Anyway, so this is Mermaid Fantasy. It is like a white pearl with like a green blue reflex on it. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty come like Halloween or any look like that. That's really pretty. I just got it everywhere, so glad I really like it. Oh my god, I just made that mess so much worse. Jesus. Okay, so that was Mermaid Fantasy. Now, this is Double Take. Okay, so the next shade I have is Double Take. And Double Take is like a goldy, kind of rose gold color. It's a lot less in your face, but it's super, super nice and super cute. There is swatch next to Mermaid Fantasy. Now, last but not least, I have Conceited. Now, Conceited seems like it may be a little dark for me. Wow, this is like a really intense glittery color. Oh my god. So that is Conceited right here. Wow, holy cow. That's a glower right there. I really like that. Let's go ahead and throw some of that on. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. highlighting brush and I put some of that in the cap. Oh, holy fuck. That's pretty intense. So if you guys are into like an intense glow, you would definitely like this company. They will get you glowing to the moon. So yeah, these are the 3 little goodies they sent me. That was the note that they sent me. I'm so grateful for you guys at Artist Couture for hooking me up. I adore you guys. You guys are so kind and so nice. I hope once I gain a little bit more of a following, I'll be able to work with you guys more close. And yeah, I look forward to playing with these and creating looks and showing you guys like how cool they are. I really thank you and appreciate you. That wraps up my first PR package. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little story time first PR package kind of thing. It's a little bit of a different video. I don't know, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really fun to tell you guys, and yeah, as always, I'm gonna list all of those highlighters down below in the description box with links, and as well as my other products that I already have. And yeah, you guys know all my social media is already down there, so go ahead and follow. If you haven't subscribed, like, we got issues, and I'm gonna catch you after this video. I'm gonna catch you and we're gonna talk about it, because you need to be subscribed to this channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. If you like me, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And yeah, comment down below what other video ideas you'd like me to do. Yeah, that wraps this one up, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.